Hello Year 6 students, hopefully you are excited about having our e-learning. Our first topic this year is about integers. Have you ever heard this word? Now let's begin by discussing integers. What is an integer? Do you have any opinion about this word? At the end of this lesson, I hope you can explain what integers are. Before we talk more about integers, try to look at all the numbers inside these three boxes. The numbers are in the green box, blue box, and red box. What can you tell me about these numbers? What type of numbers are in each box? Here are some clues. Which box do you think represents counting numbers? Which box do you think represents whole numbers? And lastly, which box represents integers? Yup, here they are. If you think this was your answer, that means you are correct. The numbers in the green box, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, are known as whole numbers. The numbers in the blue box, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, are known as counting numbers. While the numbers inside the red box, which are negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, are known as integers. So what conclusion can you get from these answers? So, integers are whole numbers which are counting numbers, 0 and negative numbers. The counting numbers are also known as positive numbers. One more time, so you can remember, integers are all negative numbers, 0 and all positive numbers. A positive number is a number greater than 0. Examples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. A negative number is a number less than 0. Examples: negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. The opposite numbers are numbers that are the same distance from 0 but in opposite directions. Example, number 3 and negative 3, they are opposite numbers. This picture shows number lines. The bigger the number for negative numbers, the value becomes smaller. It is the opposite for positive numbers. For our first lesson about integers, we will focus on learning negative numbers. When do we use negative numbers? Negative numbers are used to measure temperature, under sea level, and depth. Let's apply negative numbers in measuring temperatures by using negative numbers. Example, the temperature at midday was 3 degrees Celsius. By midnight, it has fallen by 10 degrees. So what is the temperature at midnight? We may use the number line to count 10 to the left from 3. Don't forget to count 0 also. That is why we will get negative 7 degrees Celsius as the temperature at midnight. If we prefer not to use the number line for solving this question, we can write the calculation in work example 1.1 as a subtraction. 3 minus 10 equals negative 7. For more practice in using negative numbers, let's try to do an exercise in your course book. Okay class, that's all for today. See you my next video. I hope this video will help you to learn our lesson. I will upload the PowerPoint presentation in our Google Classroom as well. Thank you.